What are you doing exactly?
Um, I'm actually trying to break the Guinness World Record for the longest tree hugging marathon. And I'm a mental health advocate and a climate change advocate as well.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what is your aim? When did you start this? Ulianza kufikiria that you can do this ilianza aje?
Well, I'm an artist as well.
Okay.
So, as you know, artists are creative, and all the time, an artist is trying to create solutions to problems that we face. So, I started as of course, as a climate change activist, and I found a discipline that is not yet attended to, and this is mental health. So, I'm trying to get the interconnectedness between climate change and mental health. And so, here I am to bring the message to the world and to bring the solution to the world. That hugging the tree boosts your mental health. Yeah.
Ulianza lini hii shughuli?
Nilianza jana.
Jana. Saa ngapi?
6 p.m.
6 p.m. Right now ni saa ngapi? Sahii ni saa ngapi? Sahii ni 9:37. It means you've been here for how long?
I've been here for around 15 minutes.
15 hours.
Yeah.
Hugging the tree.
Yes.
Same position.
Different, yeah. Yes.
Same position.
Yeah.
Is there such a record?
Yeah.
Yeah, kuhug tree, and for how long has it been there?
There's been a record for 24 hours, 21 minutes.
24 hours, 21 minutes.
Yes.
Do you feel like giving up yet?
Not yet.
Unataka kupiga masaa ngapi?
48 hours.
48 hours.
Yeah.
What if ushindwe? I'm not discouraging you though. Utapiga?
Niko hapa, siwezi shindwa.
How did you prepare your legs for this?
I was walking for long distances.
Okay.
There's a time I went for 42 kilometers.
Uh-huh.
And now every day I used to go for 5 kilometers,
Uh-huh.
5 months.
Yeah.
And I also used to fast. So I'm really prepared for this.
Oh, fast so that you're not distracted to like go to the loo or something.
My body to stay without food.
Okay.
Yeah.
What if now this is kind of weird, eh? What if right now you feel like peeing right now? You better pee from here.
Okay, for me, you know, a lot of things happens in the mind.
Yeah.
And that's what I believe.
Yeah.
Because it has worked for me.
Yeah.
So for me, I trained my mind. You train your mind.
Okay.
So I've been doing that, and I was sure when I come here, I'm ready for rains, for sunshine, for whatever, and I'm ready to stay without food, and I'm ready to stay without going to the toilet. So it's going to happen. I won't go to the toilet.
Is your aim to be included in the World Guinness Book of Records?
Not entirely.
Okay.
The
But
aim,
it's part of it.
but of course, yeah, it's part of it.
Okay.
But the bigger picture is to also impact the world, impact the community, the global community, with the message about mental health.